Anyways, all of this come to $1,555. Like $1,555. So there. So now he doesn't want any more francs because they're fruits. Anyways, put it down right here so I can table, sir. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So I just woke up and then I opened the door and I'm so frustrated with Floppy because she keep on digging up everything and tearing up everything, and it's just I just don't know what to do. And oh my god, like how can I get her to stop? So this is what I woke up to get. Well, Anna-Mari. So this is what I woke up to. Should tear up all of the tin sets or whatever there's something there we've used. Make the thing put on about the tile limb. Like then she dig up all of the ground out there, so like she just all out there to dig up. Like I'm so frustrated with this right now, like so frustrated. But there, I'm supposed to do this now. You guys see the struggle with Floppy. I'm just legit just can't bother. So right now, I guess I'm gonna wash my face, change my clothes, make some breakfast, and then try to figure out what I can do with them something out the door. And you leave clothes on the line and she just take them off. Like, you cannot leave clothes on the line because she keep on take them off. The other day, I wash. I'm just like, run got to shop and come back. By the time I come back, the clothes them that dip on the ground, and I'm like, Jesus Christ. I have to wash them over again. So, guys, please tell me what is it that I need to be doing with this dog to get her, what am I looking for? To get her to stop being a menace to society. But yeah, I don't know, guys. Tell me what to do.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her dad only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes, so they got old. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.
Fruits people are here, so I'm just gonna get some fruits for Amari because he loves fruits. So just gonna do that. Stay inside, Fluffy. You have yellow melon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
See? Why am I yellow?
Because it's yummy. Alright, go on in front of me.
One is red.
Yeah, we'll have yellow ones as well. Come, hey. Come put them down.
No, we have food.
But not right now because you need to eat off your breakfast. Whew. Okay guys, so we got some fruits. Melons. This is half pound of grape, guys. And this is like 2 pound of pine. And 4 apple. Anyways, all of this come to $1,555. Like $1,555 there. So no, he doesn't want any more francs because they're fruits. Anyways, put it down right here so on the table, sir. So yeah, guys, $1,500 and something for these. Like, Jesus. Yeah. What do you want? You want a grape? Okay, I'll give you some grapes. Okay guys, so I just washed the apples and the grapes and stuff and put them in the fridge. Cut up a few slices of the melon so he can have that today. The guy that sold me them peeled the pan for me. So good, so I'm gonna have to do that. But I'm gonna do it, I'm just wait till Jason reach home, but yes. What do you want? Your belly, Amari? What's wrong with your belly? Your belly hungry, you just eat one egg, you eat franks, you eat grapes. How your belly hungry now? What do you want, Amari? Cornflakes. Big up yourself, no cornflakes right now. You cannot have cornflakes right now, you just eat. You soon get cornflakes. A little bit later you get cornflakes. Not right now. You're feeling sad? But I can't allow you to just eat up everything. You literally just eat less than 10 minutes ago, Amari. So we just finished cleaning up outside. I'm a mess. Amari's definitely a mess. So he's washing off his hands now, going to wash off his feet and stuff. Oh, guys, like this was not a part of my Sunday plans at all. So just going to clean up now. So this is Amari. He was helping, so he's a little messy right now. Alright, it's about 12 o'clock now and I'm hungry. Amari is hungry, so I'm just going to give him some fruits. Here.
Apple and grape and yellow melon. I want yellow melon.
Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to have some as well. And probably just watch one show. Am I the only one that when I watch like a show too long, like you start dreaming about it? Like if I'm watching a particular series and I'm watching it every day, then when I'm going to bed at night time, I like start dreaming about it. Like, am I the only one? But so sometimes I have to take breaks and watch something else or read something or just give watching a break because I tend to start having dreams about them, like I be in the movies, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna eat now, charge my phone a little bit. It's Sunday, so usually people don't cook Sunday dinner early, but you know, I never finish cooking anything early, so I'm gonna chill out a little bit. I'm tired, so catch you on the flip side, guys.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna
I was very fast.
You did. Alright, tell them bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to be ending today's vlog here. If you enjoyed today's video,
Honey, stop. Say bye-bye.
if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye, kids.